Team, I just wanted to show you a little bit of what my fridge looks like and the kind of foods that I have. So I got all my small bananas that I'll be eating throughout the week, one a day. My green apples, my tangerines that I eat just like this, peel them or squeeze the juice and use it as a salad dressing. I got my walnuts, my almonds, pistachios, and pumpkin seeds, all high on omegas. Oh, and speaking of omegas, I had a couple people comment and ask me, why are omegas important? What are they? Well, omegas are fatty acids. They're really good for eye function, brain function especially, organ function. They're good for your skin, for your nails, for your hair. They're a really good fatty acid that we need for energy production and metabolism. Now here's my fridge. So just all the regulars. I got some stuff left over from last week. I got my cage-free, range-free brown eggs. My berries right here. Blueberries, blackberries, strawberries, mushrooms. All these are filled with vitamins and minerals necessary to break down proteins, carbs, fats. Got my tomatoes, rainbow tomatoes. Got my Greek yogurt here, which I'm gonna make snacks out of those. I usually put them in mason jars, and I put berries and nuts in there. Then I got my goat milk. What I haven't tried, what's new this week, is my sheep milk. It looks like very low in sugar, high protein, potassium, and I've heard good things about the probiotic gut health that it also helps you with. That goat milk also helps you with. So I wanted to try this one, sheep's milk. I got my coconut milk in there. Sometimes I like a little something different. I drink a lot of water, some coffee, a lot of tea also. But I also got these sparkling waters. They're not bad, don't have anything in there. Try those out. I also like a good beer from time to time. Down the line, maybe I'll do a video about healthier options for beer if you like to drink. I like to drink beer sometimes. Red wine, you know, I don't completely cut that out. I think it's okay to indulge as long as for the most part you're eating well and drinking the right things, putting the right food in your body. It's okay to have a little something every now and then. No big deal. Then under here, I got my spaghetti squash. I'll probably be making some spaghetti squash with some ground turkey, and I usually like the vodka sauce. That's my favorite. I got mixed greens down here. We got broccoli, green beans. I got a little bit of ginger, which I cut up a few pieces off of. I put it in my water bottle. Add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar, some lemon juice, and that's my water. It helps you detox the body and just cleanse your body out. I got some sweet potatoes in here and some avocados. So that's my fridge, everybody. I hope you guys like what I have. I try to mix it up as best as I can with the vegetables every now and then, just so I'm getting different vitamins and minerals. You don't want to stick to the same things. You want to try to eat different foods.